This is the trend review for Monday, the 22nd of April 2024. And today I was looking at AMD because AMD was opening within yesterday's range. And we had broken from S4 on the monthly. So it was looking very bearish. We had set value lower and we had lower pivots. So it made it very simple for me to plan the trade for today. And as you can see, I was expecting a traverse from R3 to S3. But first I had to wait for the extreme, and I was gonna wait for the price to climb to pre-market high or so and short for R3. And even if we ran to R4, I was still thinking about the short. So that was my plan, and I had a bit of a messy trade management. So I was doing good, avoiding trading in the open auction. We finally break out, but we attempt to break from the pre-market high on AMD, and this candle was looking to close like a doji, and I pulled the trigger within a few seconds of this candle closing, but it was anticipated. And as soon as a few seconds went by, it got bought up and closed on this hammer to the top side. So I get punished for anticipating. But I was looking at this selling rejection here, and I got stopped out. It's okay. And you can see we run up to 149.87. We attempt to break that price level 2 times, and I should have been paying attention. We failed to get past 150, so I should have made an entry here actually. Although it was very difficult. There is no really candle formation that indicates rejection other than the failure to go past 149.88. Well, the price reversed from here, and here I took this low the bracket entry, thinking that we were gonna have a nice run to the top side. Shouldn't have played that because it's in the gray area, and we still had the previous day close to reject, so these were bad trades. I wasn't really trading being focused, because once I missed this, I should have waited for the S3 levels or the pre-market low or just this close to see what we can do. So I wasted money on these two trades that were not valid, and ended the day at -3R, which is more than I actually like to take in losses. But then we rejected S1 nicely with a hammer, and this is just below previous day close and the pre-market low. We formed two hammers, and I make entry a little bit late, but I knew this was gonna be some sort of bottom, and I held nicely my shares. And once we failed to break from B once again, I decided to get allowed to just erase all the losses I had today. It could have worked out nicely. For my 20-day at goal, I was supposed to get allowed at around 148.25, but for that I had to hold for more than an hour, and I didn't want to wait for that. But you can see the price actually run to the top side to 149, which is almost as big of a move as it was to the downside. But this is the move I was hunting due to the lower value set. But it is what it is. Today I didn't respect rules. I'm not liking this. Routine. Except pre-market prep. Losses and conditions. Unfortunately, I didn't hit gold today. 1 out of 4, so it's 25% trades. 0. Up on 1 actually. I'm gonna put it at 0. Yeah, not a good day today. I need to be laser focused and have my entries well defined. But I guess that comes with experience. And these were all attempts at a traverse. The brackets to the top side I don't think they were actual good trades. So yeah, I'm not too happy about this. And this gave me 3R. So these were not even I was just trying to play with the low bracket for the long, but it's not really defined within the system. Dissipated the trade. I'm doing a lot of that. No setup, no setup. This was a good trade. So I just need to be disciplined, very focused today with trades. Today I had a really good plan and I failed to execute it. I jumped the gun a little bit early and then missed entry on the drop. And I wasted some opportunities at a reversal, but within the gray area. I should have waited for this drop and should have been ready for an entry long here, which I did take, but a bit late. And had I done that, I would have been able to profit on the way up here, so it's unfortunate. But that's it for the trade review today. Not too bad, but I did break a lot of rules today. I'm gonna have to continue to try my best and let's see what happens tomorrow.